everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at an absolutely awesome 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport car and killer car, guys. I don't get to say this often. I drove this car 4.5 hours on the expressway. You will not find a nicer driving old car. This thing hit the road great. Again, 4.5 hours on the expressway in heat. I got stuck when I got close to the shop here in terrible traffic, and it just did perfect. Didn't overheat. I mean, it just did everything it was supposed to do. Outstanding car. It was a complete frame-off restoration. He said 7.5 years ago. It's got just over 3,000 miles on the resto now. Well, I plus the miles that I put on it. Killer paint. It's Madeira maroon metallic. It's got the correct black vinyl interior in it. It has a healthy big block 454 underneath the hood with 500 plus horsepower. Again, it's a little bit older, so there are some touch-up marks on it, but man, nice car. And again, gorgeous paint. Love the color. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's got 4 corner adjustable coilovers all the way around it. Like I say, just a killer car. Other than a few touch-up marks, that's just a little dust up there we missed, guys. I mean, we had to do nothing to this car. Wipe it down, that's about it. But again, gorgeous paint. Not a whole lot to really nitpick, and just like I say, you will not find a nicer driving, old car. It hit the road outstanding. Again, it is a true 138 Super Sport. Would have came with a 396. Now it's got a 454. Again, just a little dust there. Nice and straight down the sides. Killer stance. That is a good looking car. So yeah, a couple little stress cracks I saw on the paint. American Racing Hobster wheels. It's got Goodyear, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. And it has all the power you want to. I mean, when I got close here to home, I laid into it a little bit, and it will just torch these tires, guys. Even through second gear. Car rocks. They've converted the front disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. Again, this is a 454. It has a Holley Performance 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake, MSD 6AL ignition box on it, high flow water pump, aluminum radiator. Like I say, it was 90 degrees when we were driving this thing. Never even come close to getting warm, and I got stuck in traffic after 4 hours and had to sit there, didn't move for about 15 minutes. Beautiful set of Doug ceramic headers. It's got all billet pulleys. Again, power disc brakes, power steering. It's got a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Oh, I'm trying to remember everything on this car. I'm rushing a little bit. We've got a bunch of cars to get advertised, and I'm leaving again. But you guys are buying them faster than I can get them advertised. Good car. Touch-up mark there. And again, the guy I bought it from, he drove it an hour and a half to the show. That's why I told him I was going to drive it back. He said, that thing will do fine. He said, it hits the road excellent. It did. Backup lights worked. I mean, it's just I mean, everywhere you look, this is a nice car. They've definitely replaced that. He said the cars only had like 50,000 miles on it when they started on the restoration. Just a nice car. Headliner's nice. Bucket seats, center console, Hurst shifter. They did put a tilt column in it with the SS wheel. It's got the gauge package, 54,899. That's supposed to be the original mileage to the car itself. Parking brake work. It's got an aftermarket Pro Comp tach. The clock in there didn't work. Blower motor works. It's got a aftermarket Bluetooth radio in it. That worked. I think it's H-pipe, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt, 373 limited slip rear axle. Jack with spare is in here. I think he said they had to put one panel on it. I think one of the quarters he said was replaced. Great car. Great car. Very nice underneath, but he didn't overdo it. He said he wanted to be able to drive this car. All new interior. Oh, we do have to put a seat back on it. One of those seat backs. The guys had to order a clip for it. It popped off. So we do have to put that back on. It's on the driver's side over there. Repadded and refoamed the seats. Again, carpet's new. Look how nice the dash is. I mean, that is a killer car. All new window fuzzies. Dual chrome mirrors. Car rocks, guys. And it doesn't sound super aggressive. Like I said, it's got all the power you're ever going to want. Does run on premium fuel. I did say it has to run 93 in it. Yeah, it doesn't sound, super aggressive. All the gauges are functional. Held great oil pressure. Like I say, temp gauge works. Parking brake works. Even the backup lights work. Fit and finish is excellent on it. Killer car, guys. Again, radio works, blower motor works. The clock is the only thing, and I don't even think he said it's hooked up. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of your inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by click the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at that car, man. Killer. Love it.